Okay, stand attention please. Yes, now salute me. Oh, no, no, no. When you will come here, then you will put your no. This, this hand. You will use this hand. Okay, salute. Oh, not good. Okay, Simple Hasan, how are you?
I am fine.
Are you fine? Are you okay?
Yes.
Oh, yes, very good. Okay, tell me, what is the name of your father?
My father name is Islam.
Islam. And what is your religion?
My religion is Islam.
Yes, both are Islam. Very good, very good. And who is the last prophet? Yes, very Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Okay, tell me, what is your mother name?
My mother is Fawzia.
No, 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 no,
My
no.
mother is Rihanna.
Yes, my mother name is?
Rihanna.
Okay, okay. And what is your father?
My father is Navy officer.
Navy officer. Very good, very good. Okay. And who is your creator?
My creator is my Allah.
Very good. Shabash. Simple Hasan, huh? Okay, now salute me and go. Very good. Okay, you can go now.